Welcome back CSE 3200 Yukon Stores. We're in Chapter 21, Video 5, where we're going to find a UiState. And we're going to do this because whenever we hit the search bar in our application, we're going to just add in our previous search. Now, the last video, I had a lot of code. I didn't code it. Did a lot of explaining. Chronologically, this one is following right on that video's heels, so I don't have any of my versions of the code like at the right state. So I'm going to show you the code this time too, even though it was a video where I could absolutely be typing it in to get a final result. But I could show you a final result because I do have something that has something in that state. Okay, so we are going to define our user interface state. We're going to first of all put a data class at the bottom of our viewModel class. So this is going to go outside of the last curly brace, data class photo gallery, and we are going to have images as a list of gallery items, starting off with a empty list and then a query of type string. And then we're going to go update our photo view model. This code you've seen before. This might be the fourth time we've seen this, where we are taking a mutable state flow using our state flow instead of flow, but we're going to present it as a state flow that cannot be changed. Okay. And then that try-catch that we were working on last time, where it says this line, yep, I forgot to take that out. That line actually didn't change, but these lines are all going to be new. We are going to take the value that we have captured from our state flow, and we're going to update it. And we're going to take our old state and we're going to make a copy using that data class that we just made with our images and our query. See from here, here's the data class that we made, serving the purpose of acting as a go-between for our user interface for our state flow. To update the search view and the saved query, we're going to have to maintain a reference to our search view. So let's see. Find these two lines right here. And once we add a private variable, private var search view, which is a nullable version of search view set to null at first. We used to have a val search view. Well, it no longer can be val search view because we have a search view up here. So we just basically want to delete that val there. And also, we want to dereference the binding property on the onDestroy options menu. So this is all new, and we're just going to set our search view back to null whenever the menu is destroyed. And then finally, we are going to update photo gallery fragment to use our state flow. I was just checking what it used to say here. So the first two lines are keepers, but we had two lines of code, and these three lines of code are replacing them. It used to say photo gallery view model dot gallery items.collect, and it's going to be UiState.collect, and we're going to have a lambda function this time. And yeah, anyhow, we're just going to put this code in to finish up our state flow, and then we should get something that looks like this. All right, I don't know what my last search was, but when I go to hit search, it's going to tell me that my last search was insects. Okay. We are going to search for cars, and that changes. Fine. Let's see. Can I exit like so? Sure. All right. Let's stop, and let's restart. And it's fired back up, and you can see we have our cars picture, and we go here, and we see cars. And I just also wanted to show you that this wasn't working. Perhaps the last time I showed it to you. We can hit clear search, and now it's gone, and it's like, okay, I haven't seen those cars there yet, so let's X that out. Let's search, and there is nothing there because that search has been cleared. These are just the photos from interestingness. Okay, that's it. That is chapter 21. Let's see, where we go from here, I'm not quite sure, but should we keep going with photo gallery? There's a little bit of work to do in 23 and in 24. We could do all our parts of that. There's also fun stuff in chapter 25, actually 23 and 24. So this is chapter 21. There's 22 and 23 are photo gallery stuff that we could hit parts of or all of. We could finish that up. And then there's the fun stuff in chapters 24 and 25. I know we got content coming for 24. I think I want to get some content out there for you for chapter 25 because they're just fun, quick, one-off, one chapter, one app kind of program. So I'm not sure where we go next, but wherever we go, I'll see you there. Bye.